In this video, I'll provide a beginner's guide to using Gelato for print-on-demand features in your e-commerce business. Firstly, if you're on a device other than the one I'm using with a Windows OS, stay tuned till the end for compatibility information. Gelato is essentially a print-on-demand service for e-commerce, operating in 32 countries. They allow you to add designs to various products like framed pictures, tumblers, phone cases, tote bags, mugs, and t-shirts. Key features include global selling, local production, user-friendliness, risk-free operations, high quality, scalability, and 24/7 customer support. Now, let's dive into the main platform. You can sign up for free using your Gmail or Facebook account. Gelato doesn't require you to spend money upfront on products. Instead, you design and list products, waiting for customers to buy. There's only a monthly subscription fee, around $20 or $15. Products listed on Gelato can also be sold on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Pinterest. On the product catalog, you'll find a variety of items categorized for men, women, kids, and babies, including clothing, tote bags, wall art, phone cases, mugs, and more. For example, let's design a t-shirt. Choose the desired color, size, and shipping location to set the price. Then, add your design using Gelato's design tools. You can upload images, add text, shapes, and graphics to customize your product. Once satisfied, proceed to download and set up your Gelato account with your Shopify store for seamless integration. Every product you list on Gelato will automatically sync with your Shopify store.